Hi, Kevin here. For dinner tonight, we're fixing the famous French dish called chicken with 40 cloves of garlic. It's really easy to do and it is magnifique. All right, the first thing you need is the garlic. Now, you do not have to use precisely 40 garlic cloves here. You can use as many or as few as you like. So I've already smashed one head of garlic, and you do not have to peel the individual cloves. And the easiest way to separate the cloves from a head of garlic is like this, with a mallet. And hopefully they won't land on the floor. And then just break them apart. And again, do not peel the garlic. Yeah, this is not only an easy dish, it's a very fast dish. No more than 30 minutes from start to finish. Okay, so I think I have enough garlic here. All right, now I have to move you over to the stove top. All right, what I have here is about 2 cups of water that I brought to a boil in a small saucepan. I'm going to add the garlic. And then I'm going to let this poach for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chicken. All right, these are 8 small skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. And I'm going to pat them dry with a flour sackcloth. You could use paper towels, of course. I like flour sackcloth because I can throw it in the washing machine and bleach it. And then there's zero waste. Okay, and then let me flip this one over. Then going to add salt and pepper using kosher salt. Grab a spoon, so I don't want to contaminate my little bowl of kosher salt here. And then add some pepper, just a light dusting. Then going to get these started in a skillet. Okay, to brown the chicken, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon or so of olive oil in the skillet. Swirl it about. Okay, and let me fetch the chicken. Now, one viewer noticed that when I salt and pepper chicken, I only put the seasoning on one side. And this viewer said, oh, you should be salt and peppering both sides. But I only do one side because, in truth, I don't want all that much salt in my diet. So this is really enough. Okay, butter is melted. Now in go the chicken pieces. Yeah, these are just small bone-in thighs that I buy from my local farm store. They have really great chicken. It's not inexpensive chicken, but it is very good chicken. I really don't like those huge chicken pieces that you find in, normal supermarkets. The chicken pieces are abnormally large and they always cook up rubbery. Okay, I'm going to let the chicken brown and then we'll turn the pieces over and lightly brown the other side. All right, let's have a look at the chicken. It's been browning for about 2 minutes. It's looking good. It's richly colored. So now, going to add the garlic. Also going to move this down a little. Just use a slotted spoon to fish out the garlic. And then toss it among the chicken pieces. Now the garlic is going to turn very sweet as it cooks. It's not going to have a harsh bite at all. And I want to add about a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. Right on top of the chicken. Thyme is going to give this dish a gorgeous perfume. Of course, the garlic is also going to give the dish a gorgeous perfume. All right. Now, the only thing we have to do is cover the skillet. I had to find my lid. And then let the chicken cook for 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's not its eternal temperature, its internal temperature achieves 165 degrees. And when that happens, we'll come back. All right, that wasn't even 20 minutes, and the chicken is already done. I tested it with my little digital thermometer. So now I'm just removing all of the chicken and the garlic to a platter. It's only 2 of us for dinner tonight, so we will probably eat, well, we should eat just 2 pieces of chicken and some of the garlic, but in fact, we may very well eat all of the chicken. That's just how we roll. We are big eaters in this house. 2 people. And we eat for 6. Okay, now, isn't that pretty? Now, I'm going to make a little sauce. So crank up the heat. And then I'm going to add about a half cup or so of dry French vermouth. You could use any dry white wine here. There's going to be some steam. Oh, the smell's heavenly. Okay, then I'm going to let this boil for just a moment. Burn off the alcohol. Rather, evaporate the alcohol. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter just to finish the sauce. And you want to swirl the skillet while the butter melts. Yeah, the butter just enriches the wine sauce. And again, this smells fabulous. And this is a really great company dish because you can make it, a good half hour before you need to serve it. And you can just keep it warm in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes or so. All right, now I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken. Yum. Save a little of the sauce. Okay, let me plate this up and then I'll show you what it looks like on the plates. All right, here's Mr. Fox's serving. We have the chicken and the garlic and some arugula that was just picked this morning by my local farm store. They actually grow arugula and other salad greens in greenhouses there. And then I have some thin slices from a baguette. Here's my serving, same setup. And then we're having some Sancerre. It's a white wine. And here's the leftover chicken, which again, we will probably polish off tonight. And here's some extra pieces from the baguette. All right, let's have a taste. Okay, now I wanted to show you how to deal with the unpeeled garlic. What you do is hold it by the tail end of the clove and then squeeze it like this onto your piece of baguette. And then you can even take a knife and spread it, just like butter. It's very soft. It's absolutely delicious. Yeah, the garlic slips right out of the clove. And conversely, you could squeeze the garlic onto a chicken thigh. You know, that would be great for people who are not eating carbs. All right, now for a taste of the chicken. Let's see. Just a small taste. It's moist and delicious and just perfectly seasoned with the salt, pepper, thyme, and of course that vermouth sauce is terrific. Here, I'm just trying to set the camera here. Well, if you enjoy these simple dinners that I film for you, please post a comment below. And I hope you will give this chicken with 40 cloves of garlic dinner a try someday. Super simple to do. It's great for company because you can make it ahead of time and just keep it warm in the oven. It's great for a weeknight because it comes together so quickly. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and tap the little bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. And I will see you next time. Again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.